This is the Necto homepage. Necto homepage consists of a couple of subjects that we use. We actually give the option to the user to choose what he would like to see. So first of all, I can see my recent workboards. My recent workboards are workboards that are the user used them the last time, and I can page between them. My favorite workboards are workboards that the user, I am as a user, I'm the admin, so the user admin click them and mark them as a favorite workboard. Relevant workboards are what we were talking about, the relevant information that the system found for a specific user. And my recent discussions are the discussions that I've made with other users. So for instance, I can go to a specific discussion, and then I can click it, and I'll get to the workboard the discussion is talking about. My recent subscriptions are subscriptions that I was doing. I actually being subscribed to other users, and went through a lot of workboards in these users sharing folder. So let's go to one of my recent subscriptions and start from there. So actually, if I double click a discussion, I'll be able to see a couple of things. Okay. So first of all, I'll be able to see my workboard. This is the workplace I'm working on. This is like, we talked about it like the dashboard, but a place I can actually work on. So what I see here is a couple of components. First one is the grid. This grid is actually has all of the capabilities of drilling in, drilling out, changing locations, and so on. We'll talk about basic analytics next session. We have a chart that is being affected by these drillings of the grid, and we have another component that gives me the ability to see a chart that is not affected from this grid, and it's actually a standalone view. Now, if I would like to get a more view of this part, what I need to do is just click maximize, and then I'll be able to use it in a bigger way. So I just click maximize, then I'll say, okay, I would like to see grid and chart, and I'll be able to use it in a different way. Okay? How do I design workboards? How do I actually, if I call it a workboard, I should be able to design it. So I'll just show you the concept. So the concept is click on design, then design whatever you like. You can first design everything here. I can click here and put this chart on the bottom, this chart on the right, and so on. If you can see, I have a lot of components here on the right. I hope that you can see it. So I have a lot of components on the right, and I can check one of the components and just put it in the right place. So for example, let's take a text component, put it here on the top, and say net training station 1. Okay? Now I can put this on the middle here and give it a nice color. Okay, and then I have it. Now, the fascinating thing is that every end user can do it. Every end user can do it, can save it in his own private workboard, private book. I have a private book here, And then I can send it and save it here, save results for first quarter. So this will be the name of my private workboard. So this is actually a nice way for any end user to use information. There are lots of other capabilities here, but this is like from the bird eye, how I can go inside a pre-made workboard and start using it.